As you saw in the previous video, that starter cylinder was sticking. Remove the negative. Negative off. Loosen that starter. Loosen this one. Disconnect the trigger wire. Disconnect the 8 million things connected to that. Loosen these ground bolts. Don't strip them when you tighten them back. Move this from the box. Alright, I got that new one installed. Then you start putting your terminals on. Headlight one first. And the shitload of accessories. So I reconnected. That's nice and tight. Use my wrench to tighten that. And that. Then you take your little starter trigger, put that on there. And you're done. It works. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.